Okay, okay. Okay, so in this, if you see, this is x and this is y. So it is y dash and it is x dash. Okay, va? X dash represent minus and x is represent plus, y represent plus, y dash represent minus. This is first quadrant and this is second quadrant and this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. First quadrant it will be always plus comma plus, and third quadrant will be minus comma plus.
No, minus and
Minus and minus, because x axis also minus, x dash also minus, y dash also minus. But if you see second quadrant, first we want to focus on x. So x coordinate will be minus and then y coordinate will be plus. Same like that, if you see for fourth quadrant, x will be plus and y will be minus. Understood? Can you explain this? Hmm.
So this is the graph. So this is the y-axis and this is y dash. This is x dash and x. So first quadrant is y to x. So y is positive and y axis has positive numbers and x dash x axis has positive. So the first quadrant is plus and plus. Second quadrant, uh, from x we have to start. So x dash has minus and y axis has plus. So minus and plus. Third quadrant has x dash minus and
Y dash as a
and
minus.
y dash also minus.
So
So both are minus and minus. Fourth quadrant has
x is in
x is in plus and y dash in minus. So x and minus.
both are
Both are minus.
my plus and minus. Okay, va? So what you will tell as a x axis? So x axis is known as absa and y axis is known as ordinate. Okay, va? So how this is going to helpful for us in order to score good marks in exam? No, not only to score good marks in exam, but also to understand in which coordinate our target is there. Okay, va? So if you play any jet game, you can see that in order to shoot any objective, in order to shoot any objective, in jet they will point out like this only. The target is in first coordinate, the target is in second coordinate, the target is in third coordinate. Like that they will mention and then they will shoot that particular area so that the rocket launched will go and hit the target correctly. So for example, we will see one mark sum how it is solved. So in question they will ask which coordinate. So they will give some points 2 comma minus 3 and q is equal to minus 3 comma 2. So there are 2 points I have given. So in these 2 points, in which quadrant it should come? So can you tell me this? And this is 2, that is plus 2,
That
and
is
it is minus 3.
So 2 is x and minus 3 is y.
Y. So if you see 2 is plus coordinate and y is minus 1. Can you guess in which coordinate it will come?
Yeah.
Where? It will come in the?
So it will come in the fourth quadrant.
Correct. Because fourth coordinate only it is plus comma minus. So we have to write a fourth coordinate. Okay, va? So you should write in Roman letters, not in numericals. Okay, va? So you should write fourth quadrant. For this, you will get half a mark. And can you tell which coordinate is this?
Minus and plus is second coordinate.
It is a second coordinate. Yes. Okay, va? So you should write it is a second coordinate for this half a mark. So 1 mark question easily you can score. Okay. So in exam you have to do on an imagination. Okay, well, it means you should know this full chart in your. You should keep full chart in your mind, or else you can write in small side of a paper. In a side of paper, you can draw a little bit, and you can write plus plus minus minus, and here it is minus comma plus, and here it is plus comma minus. Okay, well, so like this, if you draw in a paper or anywhere somewhere, so that you can easily find this answer. Okay. Yes. So this question is very easy. So we want to find the reflection of minus 2 comma 2. We know this minus comma minus 3 comma minus 2 will come in which quadrant?
Third
Third
quadrant.
quadrant. So reflection means where the reflection will be there? Opposite.
Opposite.
Opposite. So it will come in the reflection in the fourth quadrant. So what will be the answer then? If it comes in the same points, if it comes in the fourth quadrant, we know fourth quadrant is plus comma minus. Yes or no?
So the plus 3, it will minus 3 will become plus
Plus
3,
3
and the minus 2 will be
minus
minus
2 will
2.
be the minus 2 only. Okay, va? Yes. So this is the answer. Okay, va? Very easy, very simple one. Just we want to apply and then we want to contribute. Okay.
So this question is for 2 marks. Write the coordinates of 3 and 4, 4 and 0, 0 and 4, and 5 minus 3. So ordinates means y axis. So this is x and this is y. So they are telling to write the ordinates of those numbers. So 4, 0, 4 minus 3. For the reference, you the notes to remember, you can see this. So you have to remember. So x equals to abscissa and y equals to ordinate. If you find these sums, don't leave this. This is very important. Always draw one graph in your marks in your answer sheet. Always remember what is x dash and where is y dash. Always remember that.
So this is question number 2 and it is very easy. Simply they will give this graph and they will ask us to point out the points and coordinates. Okay, va? They have given A, B, C and D. Simply we want to we want to write the points in coordinates. That's it. So for that purpose, what you want to do? You want to write the numbers. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and the minus 4. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very simple. Just we want to point it out. So what is 1? So what is the x? This is the x-axis, huh? So first we want to tell x-axis. This is x-axis and this is x dash, and this is y dash, and it is y-axis. So first we want to tell the x. So this is
1
x,
and 1.
1 comma 1. Both are in positive. And second point coordinate
2 and 1.
2 comma 1. Okay, va? Third coordinate
4 and minus 2.
4 and
Minus 2.
minus 2. Very nice. Okay, and fourth coordinate
1 minute. X
minus 3
2. Where
comma
is
0.
Oh,
Y-axis is not at all rising, so it is 0.
okay.
So simply we want to write A, B, C, D. A is 1 comma 1, B is 2 comma 1, C is 4 comma minus 2, and D is minus 3 comma 0. So these are the coordinates like this. For this, you will get a 3 marks.
This much only.
Yes. Very simple, no? We want to write the coordinates. You want to write coordinates of A, B, C, D, R. This comma this, like that you should write. Okay? Yes, good. In some type of questions, they will give the coordinates and we want to plot it in the graph. Okay, va?
So the question is, we have to plot minus 3 and minus 5, 2 and minus 5, minus 3 and 5. So there is y axis, y dash, x dash, and x. So always we have to remember that this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. So this is the x axis. So minus 5 to minus 5. So we have to write here plus 3 and minus 5. And 2 and minus 5. So this is the x into, so 2 and here is minus 5. And then minus 3 and 5. So this is the minus 3 and here is the 5. Oh, no, 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 sorry. So this is the minus 3 and here is the minus 5. So you have to draw here.
Now,
So we will take this as A, we will take this as B, and this as C.
for the easy understanding, you can write like this. So it is 2 comma. This, okay, so it is 2 comma minus 5, and it is minus 3 comma. It is minus 3 comma 5. Okay, and it is 3 minus 3 comma 5. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes. Okay.